Hi there, my name is Richard and I'm here today to talk to you about the equipment we have at the Toronto Film School. This is an AMIRA. It shoots basically 3.5K digital, and it's one of the best cameras in the world. The sensor in the camera is the same as the Alexa, and that together with our Zeiss super speed lenses, we can really give our short films a real cinematic look. Term 1 cinematography is all lighting and gripping. Term 2, they're using Panasonics with a lot of the same lenses and accessories. And then in third term, we add the ARRI cameras. This is a look here at the Alexa Mini. It's a great little camera. Again, it's the same sensor as the Alexa. A camera like this is used on pretty much every big budget film. The best thing about it is it's how light and small it is, but it still gives you the same quality as the Alexa. Even a big movie like Avengers Infinity War would probably have shots with this camera on it because they're using Alexas throughout that film. So if they had a tight shot to make, or they wanted to go on a Steadicam or handheld, this is the camera they would use for that. So they can use anamorphic lenses on this, or the standard 35mm motion picture primes that we're using here. I don't know of a lot of other schools training people on ARRI cameras. According to ARRI, they're used 80% of the time in the professional industry. We have lights up to 12,000 watts. We have 10,000s and 12,000s and 5,000s. Then there's different styles of lights that give you different lighting looks and things like that. So right in first term, they're teaching you about all the different types of lighting we have, and as well as when to use them. So they teach you lighting technique and whatnot. So we have HMI lighting, we have LED lighting, like this light here. This is an ARRI SkyPanel. This is one of the latest, greatest lights on the market right now. It does all the color temperatures, it does all the colors. It really does everything, is all built into this light. I don't need any colored gel or anything to use this light. It's all built in. So that's a bit of a look at the kinds of things that we have here. We just have so much equipment. Most students don't ever see everything I have here. There's just so many bells and whistles and toys. What the students will do is come and tell me what they're shooting, and if there's little gadgets or toys that I can give them to make create a look for them or to add to their project, we'll certainly break those things out and show them.